I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can disable Windows Update permanently. So the first option and the most easy option is you want to go to Settings. On Settings, you want to go to Windows Update. On Windows Update, make sure this is turned off like this, right? So get the latest update as soon as they're available. Just turn that off. But if that's not enough, you want to go to the search bar here. You want to type in run. On run, you want to type in services.msc. Click on OK. Now it'll open up this window like this. Now on this window, you want to scroll down and you want to find something called Windows Update, which is this one, right? Now on Windows Update, you want to right click, you want to go to Properties, and you want to click on Stop. Now mine is grayed out because my service status is already stopped, right? But for you, it'll just say stop and you can just click on that to permanently stop Windows Update. Now you can see on the description here, it enables the detection, download, and installation of updates for Windows and other programs. So once you stop this, it'll automatically stop any other Windows update from running on your computer, which means automatic updates will be off. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.